All right, what's up, y'all? We are back. So I'm gonna drop y'all an update so y'all can see pretty much what everything, as far as like the challenge, how everything's going. We are still in profit. Everything looking really, really good, actually. Um, so we'll go ahead and get started, man. I'll let y'all know the updates so y'all can see where we at and kind of follow along with us. For those of y'all that are new to the video, so I started another challenge, and this time on the challenge, I wanted to do it via public. So do it live and document it via YouTube, right? So everything, every trade, every, good or bad, everything will be documented on YouTube. I've been giving y'all weekly updates so far ever since it started. I let y'all know maybe like a month ago that I was going to be doing this challenge. And so anybody on YouTube or in our public community or anywhere, as long as y'all follow the small rules, which is be a part of our broker, you would have got added into this private group, which I'm giving out the exact trades, entry, stop loss, TP, every movement that I make when I close it, everything is given out in this group. So you guys can make the exact same money. So I'm doing this challenge, but I'm also letting the public follow with me and make money completely for free as well. So I'm doing this for y'all as well as doing this for myself to kind of test myself and just to see how good my strategy is. I'm really trying to push it towards the limit and as well as push myself towards the limit. So that's really kind of what y'all are just kind of watching is kind of me just really test myself to see how far I can push things and see where I can go and take it. So with that being said, we'll go ahead and go over these updates. So UJ is going to be the trade that we are currently active in. We took two trades on UJ. So we did take a small loss on UJ. Where is it? So the original buy was here, right? So we were looking to take UJ long here. We got this extra bullshit move that took us out. All good. I saw it still going up, so we took another buy here. So the original trade was actually like a three, that's like a 2.8 to 1, right? So on the secondary trade, you see we were able to get away with the 4.7 to 1. So we are literally already have made our money back. Because we only took a -1 on it, right? So we already made our money back plus way more. So beautiful trade here. Our first trade that we took was a UJ trade. So we actually ended up closing that one early in profit. So we ended up closing that one out. Reason being, so the original sale was around in this range. So we ended up closing it out somewhere around here. So we grabbed just a little bit of profit. Reason being is because I'm expecting actually one more move towards the upside on UJ before it actually heads down. So that's actually going to be our next trade that we take, which is going to be USD JPY once GJ gets through finishing up, which I most likely might do majority of my profit taking either here. I am going to probably take some partials here, but majority of the profit taking is probably going to be here. Right before we finish on out. But if I did want to swing it, we could definitely swing it. We do have a lot of news this week. We got the G7 talks going on right now with all of the global leaders. We have BOJ this week. We got Fed this week. We got BOE this week. Um, just a lot going on this week. So especially with the war going on as well. So you're seeing oil prices surge, gold prices surge, seeing crypto starting to decline. There's just a lot going on right now. So this week is definitely going to be a week full of momentum. Um, so that's the update on GJ. Let me go ahead and show you guys the account. So again, we took a small loss on that first GJ trade. So we started off with $75, right? So we took a small loss there. And then we took a partial close on the profit for UJ. So that ended us at $61. So as of right now, we are down about $14, but we are in profit $76. So the account is damn near doubled right now. It's a few dollars away, literally less than $10 from being doubled. So we'll be closing this one out pretty soon. Again, most likely I'll end up closing this out either here or here, and just grabbing that double profit once the account's probably maybe like 140, 150. And then we'll be pretty much good to go for that first, solid flip on this account. So again, we're just going to keep flipping it up until we get to that 10K mark. But so far we are looking really, really good. I also made a secondary account as well, which I'll show you on that also. So I did do a flip on a secondary account as well. And so this one, the results are a little bit more shocking. So I'll show you on that as well. Let it load up. So this is where the account is right now. As y'all can see, $100 into $900. and GJ is the banker. So literally taking the same exact trades that I'm taking on the other account, and the profits are insane. So just wanted to kind of show y'all what we got going on right now. Even if I were to just stop the challenge right now, y'all, I've already doubled the account. As far as the $75 account is damn near 90%, almost doubled. The $100 account, like fuck, we're almost at 900%, almost 1,000% growth, literally within 2 weeks. So just showing y'all what's possible, using our strategy as well as what's possible just in the trading in general. I know a lot of people claim that they can trade, claim that they can do certain things, et cetera, et cetera. So I just wanted to show y'all like what's really possible. Um, and I've done this consistently over and over and over. So this is nothing new. I've done this for the public before. I've helped people literally make tens of thousands of dollars, literally, just by doing the challenge with literally multiple people have made over $10,000 starting off with just a couple $100. So we've all made a shit ton of money doing this. It's just the goal now is to see how far we can take it, see if we can take it a little bit further, which I'm probably going to try to take the $100 account maybe to like 50 to 100K. That one I'm not going to keep y'all updated on because that's just completely separate. That one's even higher risk. So I'm just doing that on the side, right? But the main account y'all are following is the $75 account, which we all started with, right? So that one y'all see is almost to being doubled. Other than that, man, those are mainly the updates that I have for y'all. Just want to show y'all the account, let y'all see kind of where everything is at, what's been going on. Our next trade is going to be USD JPY, which will most likely be coming towards the end of this week, but that is going to be our next trade that we are interested in. I actually have a few more trades right now that I am looking at that all look really good. But UJ is going to be the one, all of these look good and they're probably all going to hit TP. But UJ is the one that I just really, really love. So that's the one that we're going to focus on as far as for our next trade. So outside of that, man, appreciate y'all for tapping in. I'll keep y'all updated. There probably will be another update later on throughout this week. Just seeing where everything goes, see how much momentum we get, because there might be a lot of, surges straight to the TPs. So we might get some more, good trades in for this week as well. So I'll keep y'all updated as always, man. Y'all have a great trading week and I will catch y'all later. Again, if y'all want more information as far as our website, all of that stuff is down in the description. Make sure y'all are subscribed and follow us for the future updates for this flip challenge or any other educational updates that I drop for the YouTube channel, as well as if y'all are interested in our broker that we are using to flip these accounts and make this type of money. The link is down below to join up to our broker. Also, if you do join our broker, I do have a educational package for everyone that is under our broker as well that I'm putting together. So that'll be for pretty much just the Liquid team. I'm putting together a free education for all of you guys just to give you a little bit more insight of how to trade. Just kind of, it's not going to be like the full strategy, guys, because literally I'm about to start actually gatekeeping my strategy. I'm just going to be honest with y'all. I've already made this announcement multiple times this year. So everybody's already aware. Come July, the mentoring package is also pricing is going to be going up as well. I've been trading for 11 years, y'all. So I've been helping out just the general trading world for literally a while. So right now I'm actually in the period of me stepping back and just kind of focusing more on me. I got other businesses that I've been investing in as well. So I'm just trying to get those off the ground, having fun with those as well. I'm basically taking money from the market and moving it over in other areas. So that's where I'm at in life right now. So my time hasn't really been as much trading. Like I used to go like maybe 6, 7 charts, but now it's literally just one chart, 2 charts max a week usually. Um, like right now, I'm not even concerned about really even entering any other charts but UJ for this week. So that's literally just going to be one chart this week. GJ is a carryover from what, Friday? I think we took GJ Friday or Thursday. So we've been holding GJ since last week. Whenever we took GJ, what is this? Thursday. So we took GJ around Thursday. So we've been holding GJ since last week. So it's just kind of like my trading style where I'm at now, just improvising over the years, making certain adjustments. And it's took me a very long time to put this strategy together as well. Just a strategy that works, right? So a lot of people claim to have a strategy, right, that's consistent, that makes profit, but it just fucking sucks. So I finally fucking put something together, y'all, that's solid, man, and consistent. And if you just, it's literally 5 steps. If you just follow the 5 steps, step by step, you'll get to where you need to be. Like, so it's just been crazy, bro. The students themselves have been seeing it as well. It's just crazy. So, I'm probably going to like slowly gatekeep that come July. So I'm just gonna let y'all know now. Even come July, I'm actually no longer answering mentoring questions. So I've been kind of cool with answering questions on live streams, all that different stuff like that. If somebody has an educational question and stuff like that, I usually been cool with that. But nowadays, I just honestly don't have time to. I've worked so hard on this strategy. I'm not giving it away for free anymore, guys. So I'm sorry. But as of right now, this is kind of where we're at. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. Be mindful of everything coming July. Other than that, I will catch y'all on the next update. Peace out.